Hello everyone, this is Kirk Roldan and I'm the founder of World of Search Conference 2024 and I'm going to invite you as one of our affiliates in this conference. So this conference will be held in the Heritage Hotel Manila this coming September 25 to 29. We have a lot of speakers, new speakers from the last year and this year, and we have 400 plus attendees. So I want you to check the website worldofsearchconference.com to learn more in this conference. Now, so how are you going to become an affiliate for our conference? Just go to worldofsearchconference.com, affiliate, and then area. Once you're here, you need to fill up your full name or your real name, add your email address, username, payment email. Either if you use PayPal, just add your PayPal email here because we are going to send the payment or money to your account right away every time you refer someone and you're going to withdraw it. We'll send that to you right away. Your website URL, how will you promote us, and password. Okay? After you register, right now it's auto approve, no? So once and after you register, you will be added to our affiliate program on which you can promote easily our conference. Just don't forget this URL. Now after that, verify it using your email. Now once you're inside, okay, or after you register, you can log in here with your username and password. Once you're inside, this is the dashboard, okay? So very self-explanatory. You can easily see everything that is going on in your dashboard. But first, before you can have this data coming in, the very first thing you need to do is to go to affiliate URL area, okay? So here, you can copy your unique URL, and this is the URL that you're going to send to your prospects, friends, colleagues, business partners. Let's see it live. Okay, so you can send it to them, and every time someone will subscribe to our checkout page, this one, then you're going to earn from it. For example, let's say if your friend subscribe to Live Access, they just go here with your URL. They go to attend live event. This is the face-to-face event, right? And then they can see this one with your affiliate. Then they go proceed to check out. Okay? So right now, we also added a partial payment. So for a limited time, we allowed everyone to join, pay the partial payment only, and then the remaining will be paid after 1 month. But this is only limited. Maybe you will watch this video. If you cannot see the partial payment anymore, then that offer will not be granted. So, but right now we still have this. Then once they're here, they fill out their information, and then once they subscribe using the credit card, place an order. After that, you will be added to the referrals. So these are all your referrals, okay? So you can see all the people use your link and pay using your link. So every time, once you're here, then you can see it there, the reference, the amount, the description, if what's the payment is all about, and also the status and also the date. So you can request the payment or the commission. Then you can also see how many payouts or how much payouts you have now. You can also see the graphs, the statistics, or your earning. Creatives, you can also promote our conference using our images, but soon we're going to add images here, so you can also pick what images you're going to use. Okay? So every time you see your referral, then you can request your payment or your commission, and then we are going to send it to your PayPal account. Okay? That's it. That's the process. It's very easy. And I want you to promote it to your social media, friends, colleagues, business partners, because this is a big conference that's going to happen on September, only on World of Search Conference. Don't forget this URL, worldofsearchconference.com. And I hope to see you there. Bye-bye and have a great day.